I don't want to go into the history of Baramulla. Baramulla is Baramulla, there is no doubt about that. But Baramulla includes Sopor also. And so far as we are concerned, we believe in Vasudev Kutumbakam. Vasudev means the entire universe. Kutumbakam means a family. So entire universe is a family. So I don't get into small things, dividing things, world into states, and the countries into states, and states into districts. But everybody should have opportunity to grow. Everybody should have avenues to do whatever he is doing. So that I will ensure. That is done. There are two issues. One is the infrastructural issue. This was in my mind. I had requested Principal District SR to find out either some land in the vicinity of the existing complex convenient. I am told that they could not get any convenient or a best suited place in and around whether we can have district court complex here or not. So we'll be visiting here. I think the president and her team and a few young who are the future of this bar. Ultimately, we have to leave and make a place for them. So they will take over. So by the time and let us make an informed choice after looking to the place. And if it is suitable, then I ensure you that requisite formalities would be completed at the earliest. Fortunately, presently I am heading the infrastructure committee of the High Court also, so far as Kashmir Valley is concerned. So I am administrative judge here also and chairperson of the infrastructure committee also. I think that can work wonders. We can go about the things quickly. So if the land is found suitable, we will request the government to transfer it to the judiciary, and then we will have the DPR generated, and funds is not the problem because almost 90% funds for district courts come from the central government, and there is no problem so far as central government is concerned. We have constraints, we have to make some improvement in the High Court because the funds for the High Court is the responsibility of the union territorial government or the state government concerned. So be sure that infrastructure requirements will be taken care of. I am on it. So this visit is only for that purpose. That's why I told them no guard of honor, no meetings, nothing of the sort. I will straightway go to the spot. Thereafter I will go to Sopor also. There is also a need to have a new complex. So let us have the two new complexes in the same district, Baramulla, in near future. So far as vacancies are concerned, I think that is every district is suffering because of that. And I was just now discussing, the Deputy Commissioner was also there. And on the earlier question also, when I interacted with you, so I told you the difficulties which we face in these matters when something is required to be done by the government and is not within our reach. 2019 was the reorganization. There ought to be some change in the rules. We had to amend the rules. Me and Justice Dar were entrusted that job. We did that job within a month or 2 months and completed all the amendments which were required. Then it was submitted. Then you know how it takes time. A few months before the Commissioner Secretary, Law, and 1 or more year before the Lieutenant Governor, then 1 year before the Law Ministry, Government of India, 1 year with the Home Ministry, 2-3 lines to be amended. It took us 3-4 years. But anyway, the moment we got the rules, we set the process of selection rolling. We have now got 69 Civil Judge Junior Division, the munsifs. They are now at present under training. And why I am in a hurry and why I am rushing through things is that I am also in charge of the training also. I had that board of committee which is constituted for imparting training in the Judicial Academy. So I have to be there. I was in the morning called by the director of the academy that by the time you come back, please come through the academy so that you make an assessment of what we are doing there. So they are under training. So it will take, I think, you can take 2 months from hence. And the moment they complete the training, they will be put on job. So 69 posts of munsif will be filled up. It means munsifs who are stagnating since 2013. So they will immediately be promoted to the post of sub-judge. Of course, these promotions, these orders also go to the government, but we are always after them. We will get that done also. The moment we promote 25, 26 sub-judges, equal number of sub-judges will be promoted as district judges. The moment 20, 25, 20, 30 more district judges come with us, I think vacancy would be taken care of. So you may have to bear with us for another 3 months so far as vacancies are concerned. This project is likely to take some time. Third one, which you have not very clearly and vocally projected, but I would get it, that tug of war between Sopore and Baramulla. So I will stand in between. I will stand in between and take a decision which is very, very rational and to the benefit of all of you. That much I assure. There are certain things which must come to the headquarters. Those will come to the headquarters. There are certain things which must go to the Mufassil, because ultimately we all work for the people. We cannot multiply the sufferings of the people, right? If, for example, a particular type of litigation is 90% is in Sopore district, I will never recommend that court should be in Baramulla. Take it from me. I am not going to go. But even the balance, then the preference will be given to the headquarters. Rest as part of my duty to see that everything good happens there. But I would like, particularly the president or the senior members like you, to sometimes inform me about what's happening in the district. I get the information from the district judge, but that is one-sided version, right? I want the other side of the version also, so that I could make a informed decision as to whether things are really going good or not. So that perhaps information is lacking. I don't want you to complain people, but you can always put in positive suggestion. So this can be done. This is the problem. We are short of judges. I know they are overburdened, but that doesn't mean that they should not come to the court in time. That doesn't mean that they should not leave the court in time. But you people feel satisfied because a couple of bails and 2-3 stay orders and you are happy. Where is the commission? So let us have some discipline. And you are my ear and eyes. You should, at least the people who are like Mr. Shah, who has been coming to the High Court. I want really the information, the correct information that how my district is working. I am working so hard there day and night, and if the district which I am administering is not doing well, then it means I am not doing well. So why are you wasting the entire effort which I make at the dispensation of justice? So I want you, rather than complaining and raising demands after demands, but please let me know what is happening in my district, and wherever there is a possibility of improvement, I will do that. It's not possible for me to come every day. Those who are regularly practicing in the High Court, you people are
requesting your good self that since this is the district headquarters, more and more are the stronger district headquarters, it helps in the dispensation of the justice. And we believe that since you being our always well-wisher, we believe that all the other courts which are coming, that will be in-housed at the headquarters, as we are thankful that before a few months we have been trying to have a big chunk of land so that it will cater the need of who are joining our profession, and to cater the need of the future, we believe that a big chunk of land will be provided for we people, so that infrastructure wise or with respect to the chambers, and that may be in-housed in that big chunk area. And we believe and we are very thankful that your lordship has chosen to come and visit, earmark the spot, and if it will be in our benefit, it will be today it will be said that it will be given respect to the vacant courts in coming month also met out with. And with respect to other, we have already submitted the charter of demands. Without request our Justice Mr. Shuklaji to come on the stage, and he has been speaking hard always